Alright guys, welcome back, and today meron tayong panibagong yield platform na ating i-check out, and this is the Aurum Yield. Okay, and yun nga guys, hindi ko na siya patatagalin, so tara natin to. Ano nga ba tong Aurum Yield? Tara, let's go. Alright guys, so welcome back, and then nga guys, dito tayo sa pinaka-website ng Aurum Yield, or basically sa aurumyield.io. So it's capital routed into gold. So Aurum Yield allocates USDT into liquidity positions linked to tokenized gold pairs. So algorithmic execution, defined payout schedules, and automatic settlement. So basically in Tagalog, no, yung Aurum Yield daw is nag-allocate ng USDT into tokenized pairs. O basically, kumbaga para siyang ini-integrate niya na yung gold asset into token coins, so into crypto na ano. So basically, dito sa pinaka dashboard nila, sa pinaka homepage nila guys. So available terms and payouts guys. So choose a fixed placement window with a defined payout profile. So sa 1 day 0.4%, 7 days is 4%, 14 days is 9.5%, and 28 days is 24%. Doon nakalagay yan kung magkano nga ba yung kikitain, or magkano nga ba yung yield na makukuha mo into your plan. So mga plans, basically plans yan, 1 day, 7 day, 14 days, and 28 days. So where the yield comes from. So basically, Aurum Yield operates on 3 current gold link revenue streams. Capital is split across strategies and rebalance automatically to maintain target allocation. So meron ka ditong liquidity provision, collateral lending, and funding rate capture. So yung ini-invest nyo dito is, dito siya umiikot sa tatlong to. And tong tatlong to ang pinag-iikutan ng mga yan. And basically, make sure to check it out na lang din. Okay, para hindi kayo malito kung ano nga ba ang pinag-iikutan ng pera nyo dito. So 3 steps, that's all. So connect and choose a term, capital goes to work and collect your payout. Yun basically, yun lang yung nag-work that. How a position works. Ayan, connect and deposit. Position is active, then automatic payout. And basically ito yan, ito, smart contract nila and FAQs. So now, paano ba siya nag-work guys? Ito yung dashboard nila. So connect lang kayo ng wallet dito guys. You can use MetaMask para mas madali. And lagyan nyo lang yung pangalan nyo dito, ay yung password niyo. Ayan, lagyan lang natin. Ayan lang guys. Ay, mali. Okay, lagyan lang natin yung password natin dito. And basically, you're all good to go na. Ayan, okay. So, connect lang natin itong wallet natin dito, guys. And then, basically, sign mo lang yan. Signing, and then, review alert. Click mo lang yan, acknowledge mo, confirm, and basically, you're all good to go na. Ito na yung wallet ninyo dahil nakakonect na yan sa dashboard. And ito yung dashboard nila. So, meron ka ditong dashboard, makikita nyo din yung portfolio value, total profit, total withdrawn, and active positions. And for you to have position, kailangan nyo ditong mag-open ng position. Basically, ito yan. So, maglalagay ka lang dito ng balance, no? USDT. Kunwari, 100 USDT lalagay mo dito. Then, pipili ka ng duration mo kung 1 day, 7 day, at 28 days. So, sa 1 day, kikita ka lang dyan ng 0.4 USDT. Ito naman sa... Sorry, mali. Dito naman, 0.4%. Nandito yan, guys. Makikita natin dito. So, 1 day. Ulitin natin yan, guys. Ayan. Ito. Okay. Ito, guys. Ito. 1 day is 0.4%. Ito katulad din sa 1 day. So, 7 day naman is 4%. And 14 days is 9.5%. And then 28 days is 24%. And basically, yun yung yield na makukuha nyo in your position. So, click nyo lang yan, approve nyo lang yan, then magko-confirm na po yan sa wallet nyo. And basically, you're all good to go na kapag nakapag-confirm na kayo. So, nakapag-open na kayo ng position, mapupunta na po yan dito sa dashboard ninyo and sa position ninyo. And yun nga guys, so getting started, no, ayan, makikita nyo dito yan kung paano mag-start, no. And positions, which is yung mga positions ninyo, 1 day, 7 days, 14 days, and 28 days. And yung position life cycle nila may active, finish, and cancel. So, basically, yun. So, multiple positions, guys. You can open multiple positions simultaneously. For example, nag-open ka ng 1-day position, pwede ka pa rin mag-open ng iba't ibang days ng position ninyo. Basically, nasa inyo rin yan. Hawak nyo na yan kung anong i-open ninyo, guys. Okay? Siyempre, may docs din sila dito, guys, if you're still confused kung paano siya nagwo-work. And yun yan, guys. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung mga ganitong project is hindi natin alam kung magtatagal ba or hindi. But, ayun nga, manage your own risk. This is for only risky lang, no? Masyadong risky. Magbigay kayo ng risk nyo, risk management, practice proper risk management, and basically, gawin nyo or yung do your own research pa rin talaga pagdating sa mga ganitong project. Kasi, at the end of the day, guys, pera nyo pa rin naman yung pinapa-iral nyo dito, guys, okay? And syempre, guys, if you do not have any capital o wala kayong pang-invest dito, you can try referral system naman. So, meron silang referral system dito, guys. Eto, meron silang referral system. Check na lang natin, okay, sa referral system nila. Eto, guys, meron tayong referral system dito, which is yung level 1 hanggang level 12. So, level 1 with 15%, level 2, 10, 8, 5, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1 hanggang level 12% po yan. Napakaganda ng levels nan. And basically, level 1% is yung mga direct referrals nyo. So make sure to copy nyo lang yung link and then ibigay nyo po sa inyong mga friends, mga pwede nyo i-refer para magkaroon kayo dito ng commissions. And yun nga, guys, total referrals, total earnings, and active levels. So makikita nyo naman po din yan kung ilang levels yun. Ang kinagandaan nito, guys, 12-level network po ang referral system dito. So, napakadaming ways of earnings through referral system. So, yun nga, alam nyo naman yan, di ba? And yun nga, guys, maraming salamat po. This is the Autumn Yield. I'm Jesus Gaming. Bye-bye.